Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Talks with Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and today we are talking about 10 ways to celebrate Women's Day and totally in budget. On 8th of March every year it is celebrated as International Women's Day to mark the achievement of women in social, political, economic background, and let's dive right in and see how to make it special for ourselves. Well, chances are high as you might feel it like any other day, but you can surely make it big and add a wonderful memory for a lifetime. So get up and plan your day well in advance. Time for shopping. Shopping can never go out of bucket list. A woman can shop at any time. Whether you love traditional or western, you can always have more in your wardrobe. Visit few pocket-friendly stores like Max, Big Bazaar, Reliance Trends. We are sure they'll have lot of offers and discounts for you, and especially on this Women's Day. Budget restaurants. With our busy lifestyle, eating out is one of the best options to spend some quality time with your family or friends. Dine out or book a table for lunch on this Women's Day. If you are on diet, then you can surely afford a cheat meal once in a while. Choose a restaurant accordingly and satiate your taste buds. Resort for vacation. A day well spent is all we want. Now you don't need a vacation or a big budget to unwind yourself. Many resorts offer day packages for a one-day outing with lot of amenities. Check with your gang of girls and pre-book it on this Women's Day. Spa or salon. If you want to de-stress yourself, then spending a time in salon is the best option. A good head massage, pedicure and a facial can give you a break and peace of mind with a new fresh look. Try for the new haircut. It can surely give you a new love for yourself. New savings scheme. Investing in the right way is one of the best decisions one can have. A woman knows how to save the best and what can work out as the best investment which can help her in much needed time. Try with a small amount, say 1000 rupees minimum, and invest it in monthly schemes like RD, mutual fund or gold investment. It will really make this day memorable. Makeup kits. A good makeover can give you a sense of positivity, isn't it? Apart from many cosmetics available in the market, there are few which can be relied upon, quality and the price as well, because they are budget friendly. Try LE18, Lakme, Calabar, basic cosmetic range which will not be even taxing your pocket. Don't miss to try the new nude shades for the new look. Watch a movie. Watching a movie in theater gives a good break. Whether you watch it alone or with your friends or family, you will surely love the much needed break. This Women's Day, book it in advance with many offers available on Paytm or Book My Show app. Gift yourself. So what you love the most apart from your family? Chocolates, stylish purse, a dress, jewelry? Don't forget to get something especially for you. Check online portals for best deals. Myntra, Ajio and Jabang are all-time favorite. A good deed. Sharing is caring and you can share your happy moments by donating in the NGO or helping out the needy. If you don't have that time or money, you can still help your house staff and her children in a very small way. The satisfaction is utmost. Social media posts. Now this is something which we all love. Instagram, Facebook or Twitter, wherever you find solace, please don't forget to post your happy moments and spread the word. Happy Women's Day. Hope you like this video and advance Women's Day wishes to all of you and all of the buddy women around me. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself, and if you like this video, we make a lot of baby food recipes, kid friendly recipes, a lot of parenting videos as well on this channel. So subscribe to our channel, click on that subscribe button and the bell icon as well. Take care, bye bye.